I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off the Click Wallpaper to Show Desktop feature on an iMac or MacBook. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the window and then click Desktop and Dock. Step 3. Scroll down to the Desktop and Stage Manager section and then click to expand the menu associated with Click Wallpaper to Show Desktop. Step 4. Click to choose Only in Stage Manager. Going forward, the Click Wallpaper to Show Desktop feature will be disabled unless you're using Stage Manager. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.